So good morning students. Today we'll be revising one of the topics which will come in your periodic test, and that is tenses. Fine. So we'll just do a brief introduction of this topic because earlier I have explained this topic thoroughly to you all. So first of all, let us do the meaning. What exactly tenses are? The form of the word that indicates the time and the manner of the action is basically known as tenses. Fine. Further, we'll be doing the kinds of tenses. So there are three kinds of tenses: present, past and future. Now what basically present tense refers? Present tense refers to present time. Past tense refers to past time, and future tense refers to the future time. Now further, these tenses have four subtypes of tenses: their verb form and usages. Fine. So now we'll be doing their subtypes, verb forms and usages of the tenses. So now we'll do a quick revision of the rules of tenses. Fine. So the first is simple past. In this we use second form of verb. For example, I ate dinner at 9 p.m. In simple present we use first form of verb. Example, I eat dinner every night at 9. And in simple future, the rule is will model plus first form of verb. Example, I will eat dinner tomorrow with my uncle Pim. Next is past continuous, and the rule is was, were plus present participle. Was for singular, were for plural, with verb first form plus ing. Example, I was eating dinner when the bell rang. In present continuous, is mr plus present participle. Example, I am eating dinner with my friends. And in future continuous, the rule is will model plus be plus present participle. That is verb first form plus ing. I will be eating dinner while others will be playing outside. Okay, this is future continuous. Next is past perfect, and the rule is had plus third form of the verb. I had eaten dinner when Harry came. In present perfect, it is has or have plus third form of the verb. I have eaten dinner and you may relax now. And in future perfect, it is will model plus have plus third form of the verb. I will have eaten dinner when you shall reach. Okay, so the last one is present perfect continuous. Okay, so the rule is has, have plus been plus present participle. I have been eating dinner since 9 p.m. In past present continuous, the rule is had plus been plus present participle. I had been eating dinner when my children went to bed. And in future perfect continuous, the rule is will model plus have been plus present participle. Example, I will have been eating. Will have been eating. Verb first form plus ing. So I will have been eating dinner when mother will return from grandma's house. Okay. Okay, so basically students, when is simple past, present and future used? It is used for habits or general facts. Okay. Next is when is present, past and future continuous used? For those actions which are in the incomplete stage, means these actions are actually going on. That's why they have used continuous. When is past, present and future perfect used? For actions completed before another action begins or will begin or began. Last is when is present, past and future perfect continuous used? For actions in a state of continuity while another action takes place, took place or will take place. Okay. So students, this was a brief revision of the topic, that is tenses, where we have done the rules of tenses, which is actually the most important thing in this topic. See, you have done the rules of tenses, and even in the last video that I have sent you all, where I have introduced this topic tenses, there also you have done the rules of tenses. This is the most important thing that you all need to learn actually, so that further you can solve the exercises properly. Okay. So students, for today you'll be focusing on these two topics of tenses, that is simple past, present and future, past continuous, present continuous and future continuous. And in our next class we'll be doing these two left topics of tenses. Okay, so I'll be providing you worksheet related to just these two topics. Kindly solve them. Okay.